part of our field trip. We've come to Organo at school. It's been a wonderful experience, the weather notwithstanding. We've had a very informative session about how to use natural organic practices and to cultivate these crops in and around where we live so we can move towards sustainable living. Organo at school has been very great, patient. They taught us how to test the soil, how to make Jivamritam. And so all in all, the students had a very, very informative and fun time. Thank you so much, Organo.
Indus International School, grade 3 HRT. Grade 3 students visited here the organo farm, which is very pleasant, and they've learned how we prepare all the fertilizers for the growth of the plants. They visited many farms and based on the vegetables, how they're grown, how they're treated, the nutrition values, and they've also made the Jeev Amrit, and they know how the jars where they settle the soil and all the layers.
And to let you know about the feedback of how it was at Organo Farm. I am from Indus International School. This farm was amazing. Well, the only one thing I didn't like was doing cow manure and other stuff. I loved rest of adventuring, and thank you.
Yes?
Great.